Sanibonani guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to Mkosi Nophilile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu you guys for coming. Now, I just watched an episode of Izingane Zesithembu, that is episode 2, but I'll be honest with you guys, angiwabuki my episodes like I've said it before, ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthola ithuba lokuthi ngihlalele each and every episode ngibuke, kodwa ke mangabe ngizokwenza i-video based to what I've watched, okay? So ke ngifuna ukukhuluma laphana ka episode 2, the thing between uMpilo noSne. In fact, it was all Ababo Musamsele's children, and I think Abongo and then hosts a party la parrot. No, I think it's a pajama party. Ngoba siyabona ke uthengile ama pajamas ukuthi bagqoke bahlale phansi and just have a time as siblings into kanjalo you guys. So kuleyo party ke, as I'm watching the episode, there is a thing between Umpilo noSne, of which iqala ke la ukuthi Abongwe got particular games abazowadlala ngalelo langa, and then kena kulawo ma games lawo there's this game where uzodoba a particular, I don't know, it's something like a bond, then you open, then there are questions inside. So ama questions la are based on umndeni wabo, like njengengane zesithembu kunembuzo nje, and then uzobuza umbuzo, and then kulowo mbuzo lowo based to you, and then I think uzobuza umuntu, and then they're going to answer the question mangabeke, you know, wherever you need to apologize, then you apologize into kanjalo. I think that's how I understand whatever that particular game was. You guys game my look hamba ke bayabuzana who is the dad's favorite, the father's favorite, who is the cutest, who is the what imbuzo eminingi nje lapho you guys. I think ukhona umbuzo ke othi who is our father's favorite, right? Kukhona bathi i-favorite kababa uMpumelelo, of which I agree with them. Bese kuba khona bathi favorite kababa Abongwe, of which I still agree. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi when it comes to Baba Musamsele ebafaneni sizothi favorite yakhe vele uMpumelelo, siyabona nje ngathi uyayithanda yonke lento kaMpumelelo. I think yonke into eyenza uMpumelelo vele uMusamsele kunye nguyena advisayo ukuthi ekenze lezo zinto. I don't think uMpumelelo zonke lezi zinto ayicabangela ayi-one. Yes, of course yena vele unguMusamsele ngokwakhe, into azenza ezinye ziphumile endleleni zidakiwe, but mina I'm very sure ukuthi okunye nje ubaba wakhe omtshelayo ukuthi mfana wami sihamba so le ndlela ngoba vele he's Msele ku junior, whatever is happening there ngabo Vuyokazi nabo Tirelo, and this particular mamkhulu, a girl that is trending nowadays ke yazini. So I believe ukuthi engasesathi amantombazana ifavorite kababa uMsamsele ku Abongwe, ubaba uMsamsele can tell ukuthi uyamthanda uAbongwe, asisho ukuthi akasithanda ezinye ingane, angithi igama lithi favorite. Okay, whatever thina asibazi, we just comment based on what we see on our screens. Okay, bese kuba khona omunye umbuzo ke obuzwe uThenule yambuzo you guys, ukuthi ukhona lo mbuzo othe who is our father's favorite, bese kuba khona umbuzo bekhona ngemali. I think bathe who is the most person who wastes the money. Into kanjalo guys, ibikhona nje imbuzo ephathelene nemali, ephathelene, kodwa kakhulu ngifuna ukukhuluma ngalo mbuzo obuthi wona ke who is the fakest sibling, okuyukuthi ke who was asked uSne who is the fakest sibling, and then uSne abasethi uMpilo, ebese uyachaza ke ukuthi uMpilo uthi uyifake ngoba uyafika laphana koMpilo sometimes, and then uMpilo avela ngamnaki afaka ama headphones uthi earphones or headphones whatever, adlalela music, ayitshele nje avela abone naye ukuthi indaba yakhe ayikho mhlamba abasiyasuka mshiya ngoba phela nazwa nento zokuncenga kwabo guys. Kodwa kwabona I really want to understand where Sne is coming from, ukuthi nje how umntana sekhaya ngiyafika ngakini nje angithi phela kusesithenjini, then kukhona abantwana bakaMacele, kukhona bakaMayeni, kukhona bakaMangwabe, kukhona uMpilo kaMakhoma, into kanjalo. So ngithi ngikuvakashele ke mntasekhaya ngiyafika kuwe awunginakile uzidlalela umusic, uyangibonisa nje ukuthi you know what, go home sisi, angikho nje kwesakho, uyabona lento leyo. So ngim understandile what she was talking about, but I think uMpilo uye waba offended, something like that, ukuthi kuthiwe she is the fakest. Angazi ukhona othe angitolike ngumpumelela, msho ukuthi uyafuna yini Sne ukuthi ngikutolikele. wasithi akusiye le kutolikela, ngizobuya kule kutolikela because eka-Abongwe leyo you guys. USnema echaza uthi yena uMpilo uyifake ngoba uyayitshela. Yeah, kusho ukuthi uMpilo uyathanda ukuyibeka ezingeni eliphezulu into ekanjalo, and I was even on the comment sections lapha abantu bethi vele le ngane kaMakhumalo uMpilo iyayitshela ngoba abanye bethi hayi wena Sne hamba ufunda nje kwakubheka ukuzala into, you know what, on the comments kodwa uchazile bakithi uSne ukuthi why ethi uMpilo uyayitshela. So uMpilo is offended, kukhona abantu abathi uSne akaxolise-ke kuMpilo. So for mina ngithi axolise kanjani mangabe that's what she thinks ukuthi uMpilo uyayitshela. Angithi lapha bekunembuzo bese uyaphendula ke umbuzo wena obuziwe ukuthi okay, you know. So ke okay, bakhona baxolisile, ukhona engizoxolisa uMpumelo wathi ayixolisa vele kubalekile vele ukuxolisa you guys, but ke uSne I think uyisho le into isuke enhlizweni nje ukuthi uMpilo uyifake, umbona yena eyifake. Bese kuba khona futhi umuntu othe kahle kahle uSne ngathi bayamdelela kahle, nami ngiyayibona leyo nto. Remember uSne nguyena omdala la emantombazaneni ukuthi uyadeleleka, nami ngiyakubona, and the reason why uyadeleleka mhlambe because of behavior yakhe is because of a relationship yakhe nobaba wakhe imenza adeleleke ngoba ambiza ukuthi uthanda amadoda. Kunaloko kwake kwavezwa baba umsamsele ukuthi uSne endlini uhleli kunjani, kushiya amabhodwe kubolile ku10 you guys. Leyo nto nayo futhi uSne yamehlisa isithunzi into ekanjalo. I think nama siblings wakhe bakhona, angizuthi bonke but I will say mhlambe bakhona bangamhloniphi. Uyadeleleka yena uSne yena uthanda ukudeleleka, but ngizothi nami ngiyamsola because adeleleka nje ibehavior yakhe, you know. Khona bayathanda ukumdelela kodwa uMpilo angiboni emdelelile kodwa ke bathi akaxolise, you know. So angazi you guys when it comes to that particular thing esikhona manje phakathi kukaSne noMpilo ukuthi izohamba kanjani, ngoba ukhona omunye ubona ukuthi omunye ngathi uzibeke ezingeni eliphezulu bese kuba khona lo omunye onguSne odelelekayo ukuthi mhlambe mabembhekile nje usisi wabo Nkosi yami bayamdelela, you know. Bese kumithiwa manje akaxolise ngokuthi yena athi uMpilo uyifake, she's a fakest sibling. Angazi because bese kuba khona le ekhulunywa uAbongwe emayikhuluma ngoSne uthe yena uba offended mangabe ke bebuke itelevision mhlambe sekudlala siyambona uAbongwe ukuthi ukhuluma ngani, even though phela naye akakhuluma ukuthi nginje kodwa uyasho nje ukuthi uma bebuka ke iTV bese kuba khona izinto ezihambisana nabantu abafana naye uAbongwe the way angakhona, the way uNkulunkulu amdala abangakhona. USne unokuba nama comments angawathandisisi kade based on isimo sakhe. Akashongo phela yena ukuthi ukhona umuntu othi hayi wena Abongwe seyisikhathi manje sokuthi uphumele ngaphandle, akayishongo nama ngizokuyisho, yabo. Uthi ama comments kaSne based on labo bantu labo mhlambe based on those, you know. USne unokukhomenta kambi then bese yena uphatheka kabi, base bethi xolisa ke Sne into ekanjalo. Kushuthi laphana kushuthi bangabuza umbuzo ophathelene nawe kusomela uxolise to that particular sibling, right? Simzile kodwa uMpumelelo exolisa on whatever that was based on him. Kodwa ke le eka Sne I do not think uSne uzoxolisa, angazi mhlambe uzobuya axolise you guys, kodwa ke kule eka Sne noMpilo I mean khona phela eka Sne noMpilo ukuthi kuthiwe she is a fake sibling, bese kuba khona le eka Sne noAbongwe. uAbongwe athi she feels very offended, you know. So ke I do not know you guys, for me vele ngiyabona ukuthi ngathi udelelekile, even though uAbongwe naye phela lokho akushilo ukhuluma ngento esuke like mabebuka iTV ahlelezwa uSne, you know, laba abantu this and that, you know, abantu abaso, you know, imagine mangabe leyo ndlela and then umuntu besehlala ekhomenta otherwise vele uzoba offended. Kusho ukuthi bekuyithuba lake uAbongwe ukuthi I promise ukuthi you know what njalo nje masibuka iTV kuvela into ezinjena wena uyakhomenta ngale ndlela, awuboni yini ukuthi mina ngiba offended because I'm part of that, you know. So ke ngithandile leyo game ade beyidlala you guys, they were having fun as siblings. Kodwa kukhona okusuke sokucasula uSne, angazi ngimbone nje esukuma washo ukuthi angazi mhlambe imibuzo ebibhekise kuyena ebisiba very angazi ubeba uncomfortable into ekanjalo. Ngigcine lapha nje asukumile kungathi akusahambanga kahle okwasho ngane zakwa TikTok, kwangathi akusahambanga kahle, but it was actually a very good game that they were playing, futhi benza babonde njengabantwana bakaMsele, futhi benza bazane kangcono into ekanjalo ke. Kodwa uSne uyaba offended because amasemhlonipheni uSne because phela she is the eldest sister, and kodwa noma ke sazi ukuthi unokuyiphatha kanjani, you know. Kodwa ke I think kukhona ukungamphathanga kahle laphana you guys. Bese kuba khona abantu uzoxolisa yini uSne kuMpilo. I think nayo beyisho from deep down, angithi nokumphatha kabi ukuthi umbone umuntu ngathi wena ngathi uzibekele phezulu, ngoba thina usibukela phansi wena uzibukela phezulu. Ingane kaMakhumalo phela leya uMpilo into ekanjalo guys. Bese uAbongwe kodwa angibonanga imphatha kabi kakhulu leyana kaAbongwe ukuthi ukhomenta kabi, ayimphathanga kabi kakhulu. Kodwa leyo ukuthi uMpilo is fake case, ngibone ngathi kukhona into engahambanga kahle. I do not know. Let us just hope as siblings bazoyisotha. We know ukuthi this is a reality show you guys. Okunye sikubonayo is not really what's going on behind you know. Kodwa ke man, I just wanted to comment on that part ngoba ngibonile ukuthi ngathi uSne igcine seyimcasulile wasuke seyahamba ama siblings. Wathi kuwe kwagcina sekumoncunyana lapho ke you guys. But anyways, it was a game was good whatever it is. Thank you Abonge for hosting ama siblings wakho kanjalo ke bekukuhle. I don't know, was that a pajama party? Angazi you guys, but sibone phela ethenga amapijama, ethi abayigqoka amapijama babuyeke benze lokho abakwenzayo. Kodwa mina bengi more interested on that particular game where we're gonna ask you a question and then you answer, but then you get to apologize to that particular person mangabe that person akaphathekanga kahle. For me nje bekuyibonding, it was a nice game, even though igcine ke sekungathi ayiphilanga kahle when it comes to uSne noMpilo. Let us just hope bazoxolelana kubuye kudlule, siqhubeke futhi ngesho, siqhubeke futhi nama games amanye alandelayo. Angazi ugazi okunye sesizoxoxa ke kwamanye ama videos, ikakhulukazi le kaMamkhulu sizobe sikhulume kwenye ivideo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for watching this one. Like it, subscribe, share, bese siyahlangana ku video elandelayo. Bye.